Hello guys. Prajakta and Rohit ke matchmaking skills, everybody's saying they are a perfect match, that their chemistry is unmatched. How are you dealing with these reactions that are coming from mismatched?
We are more than happy. Please keep these reactions coming. Honestly, इतना ज़्यादा expect नहीं किया था when we were shooting. Now that it's out, the response is overwhelming.
और आपको ना पता है रोहित के लिए क्या कह रहे हैं ना लोग, he is the perfect husband material. What would you want to say?
What would I want to say? What would Rohit?
वो दोनों आप भी बता दो from the female's perspective, हम फिर हम रोहित से बात कर लेंगे.
आप बताइए प्राजक्ता पहले.
यार हस्बैंड मटेरियल तक तो मेरा दिमाग नहीं चलेगा, बट ऋषि इज डेफिनेटली बॉयफ्रेंड मटेरियल. मतलब बॉयफ्रेंड, like he's everything you want in a guy. Like if I was Dimple, if I was a student in Aravali Institute, मैं जाके ना डिम्पल को टपली मार रही थी, पागल है तू क्या कर रही है? But no, Rishi is 100% boyfriend material.
So ऋषि आप बताओ, आप क्या कहोगे कि आपके लिए बहुत लड़कियां, एक कमेंट ये भी आया है रोहित को देख के हर लड़की के दिल के लड्डू फूटे.
वाओ. अगर लड्डू खत्म, मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, अगर लड्डू खत्म हो जाए ना तो मुझे बताना, मैं थोड़े और भेज दूंगा. लेकिन
और भिजवा दूंगा.
मतलब it's great, yeah, Pooja. I can't honestly, like Prajakta said, that we really did not expect this kind of a reaction when we were shooting it. In fact, this morning I was giving an interview and she's like, you know, आपको ऐसा कुछ burden feel हुआ कि आप Netflix का एक show shoot कर रहे हैं? And I was like, हमने कभी इतना सोचा ही नहीं था कि it'll be such a big deal. Like we just went to have fun. And we had a great time. और अब जिस तरीके का reaction मिल रहा है, you know, you're right. I've been reading all the comments. I'm seeing all the tags, everything. Like now I feel like I have delegated like 3 hours to social media every day where I sit and just look at all the tags, the comments, the messages.
Wow.
And मतलब दिल में मेरे भी बहुत सारे लड्डू फूट रहे हैं, बहुत.
वो कहते हैं ना दिल गार्डन हो गया.
पूरा फॉरेस्ट हो गया अभी अंदर, गार्डन नहीं.
Amazon बन रखा है.
पर प्राजक्ता आपको देख के बहुत लोग ये कह रहे हैं, like you know, you've been the boss of your content. Now see the mismatch से जुग जुग जियो. They feel that they just might lose the Prajakta Kohli they know into a star.
That's why it's a good thing I'm not even giving them that option. I am never going to stop making YouTube videos. यार पूरा मैं पूरी तरीके से समझती हूँ कि none of this would have happened if I was not uploading content on YouTube. I am very well aware about why and how I get these beautiful opportunities in my life that I do. And I know where it comes from. I know किसकी मेहर है जिस वजह से ये होता है. And I understand that YouTube is my mothership. That's where, you know, that's where everything stems from. So एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि शायद लोग बोलते कि चल ना बस ना मत बना वीडियो, but even then I'm not going to stop. So that is never going to happen ever. They're stuck with me forever and I'm going to live for like 400 years. So yeah.
But was it difficult for, wow, I know she's just going to be an eternal mortal.
I'm going to live forever.
And well, we hope you do. And वैसे एक बात बताओ, I mean, you know, when you're creating your content, you are the boss, you call the shots, you decide what to put up. It just becomes very different when then somebody else is creating content for you. Was that transition easy?
It was made very easy for me because of my director and my writers who knew exactly what they were doing in life. It would have been difficult if they didn't know how to do it, you know, because I really didn't have to do anything. I just had to turn up on set where I knew what Dimple is going to wear, how Dimple's hair is going to be, which color lipstick is Dimple going to wear, डिम्पल की घड़ी में कितने बजे हैं, शूज कौन से पहने हैं, कहाँ से आई है, कहाँ जा रही है, क्या मूड है, क्या लाइन्स है, ये सब मुझे बताया गया था. I just had to take all of that and perform. So मेरे लिए it was very very simple because everyone else did a phenomenal job at understanding Dimple, which is why it made very easy for me to make this transition.
रोहित, आपके लिए एक और कमेंट मैं पढ़ रही थी. It is like when Rohit is like a magician. When some girl has written, when I look at him, everything around me disappears.
Wow. ऐसी लाइंस कहाँ से आती है मुझे समझ. What?
आपके बस prospective script writers हैं.
Yeah, for sure. But Pooja, I get very flattered. Yeah, matlab, all these compliments, and I get damn flattered. Like the other day, we were shooting this really fun video project, and where we had to basically use pickup lines on each other. And I feel like I wish I got these pickup lines a little earlier, because I would have, been able to do a better job at the video. But no, it's very sweet. Yeah, to get these compliments, it's too sweet.
But you know what they're saying now, you can't ignore the talent of Rohit Saraf. And तो हमारी मुलाकात तो हुई थी Sky is Pink के, अब फिर मैंने आपको देखा Ludo, अब Mismatched. Things are going well, enjoying the stays.
I am, but at the same time, I'm not, like, this is not all that I want to do. There is a lot more that I want to do. So while this is very, very important and it's great, and I've waited for it for a very, very long time, and that it's all coming to life, it's amazing. But at the same time, I know that this is not where I want to stop. So,
This
and I'm
is
very
the
glad
beginning.
that
The
you said-
Rohit Saraf madness.
I know. बस होने वाला है.
And I'm
I
very glad
felt
you said
our,
that,
I
you
fell
can't
for you.
ignore the talent, because one of my fears was, like, with all the comments that's been coming, मैं starting के कुछ comments पढ़ा था, and everyone's like, he's so good looking, and I was like, but guys, I haven't done anything about that. I want to know how I performed. I want to know if you all liked Rishi's portrayal. You know, but I'm very happy that that's being appreciated too. So yeah.
And Prajakta, आपको मैं एक सच्ची बात बताऊं, because you know I used to read about you. I've seen your interviews, and I would be very impressed. But sometimes I would be a little overwhelmed. You know, कि like she can do so much. You know, and the thing is that Prajakta and me have some 20 years between us. I'm like, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में क्या किया? What advice would you want to give old foggies like us, yeah, who get so overwhelmed looking at talented kids like you?
No, that is extremely flattering, Pooja. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. But I think, when I hear words like this from someone like you, who is, I mean, definitely senior in age, but also senior in experience, and you do, I'm guessing you watch a lot of content. So I feel like it's just a lot of validation for me as a creator when I hear something like this coming from you. And I really appreciate it when there are newer people coming in, and when there is, like, it's very validating. So I really appreciate you, and I think that a lot of the confidence and motivation that I get to do what I do is because of this loop that closes. The fact that I perform something and you react to it is a lot of motivation for me to keep doing what I'm doing. So I want to thank you for that.
So
Also,
sweet.
very, very
Hanji.
quickly, I want to add, Pooja.
Huh.
I think in today's time, in the world that we're living in the time that we're living in, journalism is one of the most difficult things to do. And I think when you're doing that, I don't think you should be asking what are old foggies like us and all of those things. You shouldn't be saying about yourself.
Yeah, मेरे को
Doing
I am not clickbait. So I'm constantly told clickbait. और मुझे पहले तो clickbait का मतलब ना समझ आए. मैं
I don't know what
clickbait
that
क्या है?
means.
Exactly,
Pooja,
clickbait.
the fact that in the world of a clickbait internet, you're not clickbait is what is amazing.
Thank
I
you.
am not clickbait also. I
But आप
subscribe to
Prajakta
you.
Kohli
not
ho.
clickbait.
But amazing, thank you. That's validation for me. But you know, something very interesting was when I spoke to Ghazal and Akash, they said teenagers remain the same despite the generations. And a lot, Dimpy, I could resonate with because, when you're a certain age, Dimple. Yeah, Dimple, sorry, Dimple.
I think you're giving me a nickname. I liked it. Nobody's called me Dimpy.
Dimpy chalo, Dimple. I could resonate with her because she wanted to do her own thing. Could you resonate with that character also, or are Prajakta and Dimple absolutely different?
No, 100%. Dimple is 17 and she wants to know what she wants to do with her life. And I was very similar when I was 17. I'm 27 now, but 10 years ago, I wanted to be a radio jockey.
Still
and
looks
I was,
17.
Thanks, Pooja. I was 11 when I had decided that I wanted to be a radio jockey. And when I was 17, I was hell-bent on just following my plan. Us time pe even I was how Dimple is. Ki aur kuch nahi dikhai de raha, aur kuch nahi karna. I have to do this, then this, then this. So I really admire how driven Dimple is, how focused she is, how nothing else is on her agenda. If you've seen the end of the show also, come what may, her biggest problem in life right now is that how is this happening to my app? How is this happening to one plan I made? So I definitely look up to her for that. A lot of similarities. The fashion is very, very similar. I am 100% Dimple. मैं तो बोलती थी मैं अपने घर से भी कपड़े पहन के आ जाऊँ ना, so I can reach on set and I can be like that. One thing I didn't relate to her on at all was that she's very sadu, and I am never sadu like that. Like I'm always this. I'm never. So वो थोड़ी सी मैं भी किलस जाती थी उससे कि कभी तो हंस दिया कर, कुछ नहीं हंसती, मतलब सड़ी हुई रहती सारा टाइम, and she's being so mean to this guy. So I was like, on those two things I didn't relate on.
हंसने वाली बात से मुझे लोग कहते थे, you know, remember Preeti Zinta's dialogue, नैना पिछली बार कब हंसी थी? So that is something I resonate with Dimple because I'm a little खड़ूस. So अब देखो यार, अभी मैंने अपना सच बोल दिया, but Rohit, आप you tell me, would you like Rishi go all the way to Parkho, the woman he's about to marry? ऐसे you wear your heart on your sleeve? Are you like that?
I am when I'm, if yes, it depends on who I'm feeling like that for. But I think, yeah, I believe that, you know, while we're all very, very practical about, like, you know, when I fall in love, this is what's going to happen, that's what's going to happen. But I feel like if you're really like into someone, I think all of that practicality kind of goes out of the window and like all the decisions are made by heart. So I am that kind of person. And I'm a full like romance lover. So yeah, I think I resonate with Rishi quite a bit.
अच्छा, आपके दोनों फैंस ने ये लिखा है जो 7 बार आपके ऊपर कॉफी गिराई गई थी, वो उनको पता नहीं कि 7 बार टेक हुए थे, उनको ये समझ नहीं आया कि डिम्पल ने क्यों उस पर कॉफी गिराई, बहुत नाराज हैं उस सीन से.
But थोड़ा obvious है ना, मतलब obviously now you watch the show, right, Pooja? So when people have watched the show, you see that Dimple has no idea that she's being set up by her mother to go and, you know, the reason why her mother said yes for her to go and join this course is because she was setting her up with a guy in Jaipur. That guy happens to be Rishi. So obviously, like Rishi in his head, he was thinking, "Ha, isko pata hai that, you know, we're here to kind of get married and whatnot." So he went and he said, "Hello, future wife." And obviously she didn't know that. She said, "What the hell is up with this?" Now also, we actually discussed this with Akash on set, that if a guy is approaching a girl without any context, if he says, "Hello, future wife," she'll just be like, "What is wrong with you?" She'll not throw coffee. But if you actually pay attention to the scene, you see that I take a step forward after saying "Hello, future wife," which is why in defense, she's like, "What the hell is wrong with you?" And she throws coffee at me. So that's why, and I feel like nobody should get upset about that. It is very right. If anyone ever does that to you, tries to come too close without your consent, throw whatever's in your hand.
And what would you say, Prajakta?
No, 100%. Also, मुझे खुद बहुत बुरा लग रहा था जब मैं वो कर रही थी, because I just felt like this shouldn't happen to anyone. मैं वही कह रही हूँ ना, डिम्पल बहुत सड़ू है. She will not care कि हाँ तो मेरी थोड़ा ना गलती है, मैंने फेंक दी कॉफी, उसने भी तो करा. You know, that is going to be her. But Prajakta is always like, if someone said that to me, I would just step back and be like, bro, whatever this is, I don't want to deal with it. I would walk away. So, although the motive was correct, but at the same time, I also felt very bad doing it. You know, because poor guy, 7 times I had to splash him with really freezing coffee. हर बार इसको कपड़े change करने पड़ रहे थे, बाल सुखाने पड़ रहे थे, makeup reset करना पड़ रहा था. So there were a lot of that was happening. But I think given the characters, I think what Dimple did was apt.
Yeah.
And you know, they say millennials are very practical when it comes to love. Like I said, my teen years was some 30 years ago. Hamara time, love doesn't change. But do you think this generation is more practical when it comes to love and relationships vis-a-vis the generations before you?
I mean, most definitely. It's not the same. I mean, when I talked to my mom, you know, back, she was like, her love is from, again, the 80s and 90s and whatnot. When I talked to her, they didn't have phones. Forget about like sliding into each other's DMs. What are you talking about? Like all of that didn't happen. So of course it's different, yeah. But I think the essence of love, I don't think that can change. I don't think the emotion in itself can change. So while the medium of expressing it may change, but I don't think the emotion can. And I think that's what's important.
Yeah.
Prajakta, what about you? What would you want to say?
Same, yeah. I just feel like it's just that options are available much easier, no?
Yeah.
Today, like जैसे वो कह रहा है, जैसे रोहित कह रहा है, like I remember my ma baba also had a love marriage and they dated for 4 years before they got married. And I remember like back in 87 I think they got in a relationship. They married in 91. 87 में जिस दिन mama asked my father out. She
Okay,
asked
wow, I
him
love
out.
her.
Yeah, I like you.
She
Will you
is
be my
the
boyfriend?
best. I'm telling you.
So there was a restaurant next to a lake in Thane. There was a restaurant where they'd gone. And वहां पे बाबा ने उनको बोला था कि ठीक है, I'll be your boyfriend. 87 से लेके 2020 तक 15th Feb every year they go to that restaurant and eat the same dish they eat.
So sweet.
Every year. I have been with them every time after I came. I have been, if I'm in Mumbai, I've been with them all my life. And I feel like उनके लिए वो मीटिंग इतनी स्पेशल थी बिकॉज उस टाइम पे वो रोज नहीं मिल पाते थे, रोज बात ही नहीं कर पाते थे,
सही में,
यू नो. तो इसीलिए she had to wait for so long so they could go to a restaurant and talk about that. I feel like that has changed a lot, where now you can meet 2 guys in the morning, 2 in the evening, and squeeze one in the
and 2 in
middle.
between. Yeah, totally.
You never know, you know. So I feel like that has changed, but like he's saying, the essence remains for the ones that work.
चलो जाते जाते ये पूछती हूँ, आजकल एल्गोरिथम्स चेंज हो रहे हैं ना, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, एवरीडे. आप दोनों का एल्गोरिथम कैसे आप डिफाइन करोगे? व्हाट्स प्राजक्ता एंड व्हाट्स रोहित्स एल्गोरिथम लाइक?
I'm a little confused about that.
Answer this question.
I'm like algorithm as in like what?
What's our vibe?
Yeah, what's your vibe? Like, what is it?
Like our vibe together?
Your vibe together and your vibe individually.
I think our vibe together is too much fun. Nobody laughs at our jokes as much as we do. I mean, if you listen to our jokes, you'll just be like, but we have a lot of fun cracking them. The fact that Rohit and my sense of humor is very, very similar. The fact that our taste in music is very similar. The fact that we are both romantics and we are both cheesy and we both like the same cheesy rom-com movies is super similar. So I think that helps a lot. Also, we are friends. So our vibe is super chill. Like I can spend hours chilling with Rohit Saraf and I'll have a great time. My vibe by myself is, I mean, I'm an ambivert. I'm not like a completely like, oh, let's go party, let's do this, I want to meet everybody. I'm not that, but I'm also not like, oh, I don't want to meet anybody, I don't want to do any of that. So I'm somewhere in the middle where I'll socialize, but I also like reading alone in my room for 7 hours. So it's
I get you, totally I get you.
Like pajamas is my vibe.
Yeah.
Sneakers.
Yeah. This is like the perfect time. Everybody's in the pajamas.
Yeah.
हाँ जी रोहित, आप बताओ आपकी क्या वाइब है?
मैं आपको एक बहुत ऑनेस्टली बोलता हूँ, पूछा मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन ही बहुत समझ में नहीं आया, मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कैसे आंसर करूँ, बट आई विल ट्राई. मेरी सो फर्स्टली आई एम नॉट, while I am a people's person, I select my people. Like I'm very particular about who my people are. I'm very, very like and it's not because like I don't like anyone else, but it's also like I am that person that I take time to kind of completely open up and get attached to people. So that's my vibe. I'm very, very people who I'm close to, we're very, very close knit. I am not the pajama vibe. I'm like the full jeans and like jacket and that kind of vibe. I love dressing up, and but I don't have anywhere to go after I dress up. So I dress up and I sit at with my people.
I totally get that also.
Yeah.
Both of you resonate with me. Totally. Guys, amazing talking to you. So Mismatched का season 2 कब आ रहा है? सब पूछ रहे हैं.
Netflix, Mehak we have over here. Mehak, please answer this question.
Please बता दो कब आ रहा है, हम भी सबसे
चलो तब तक नहीं आता है तो मैं प्राजक्ता को तो कह सकती हूँ जुग जुग जियो, और रोहित को कह सकती हूँ लूडो खेलो.
Thank you so much, Pooja.
So, are you enjoying yourself on set, first movie and everything?
Ooh, I am having a great time. I was so nervous because I mean it's dharma, and you know suddenly dharma comes with like a lot of nerves. So when I came here, I was like, God, please let it be nice, please let me. But it's the best. My director is so chill. Raj is amazing. Anil sir, Neetu ma'am, Kiara, Varun, everyone is super chill.
Awesome.
Everyone's very inclusive. So I'm very happy here. I've gotten along well with the ADs, with the costume, and everyone. My hair and makeup team. Oh my god, it's that fun. I'm having a good time.
Awesome. And Rohit, जाते जाते लूडो तो अच्छी खेल गई, नेक्स्ट क्या है?
नेक्स्ट बातें चल रही हैं, लेकिन अभी कुछ भी मटेरियलाइज नहीं हुआ है, और ये ऐसे जेनेरिक आंसर नहीं है, मैं प्रॉमिस मम्मी कसम, बहुत अभी बातें हैं बट कुछ भी मटेरियलाइज नहीं हुआ, तो जब भी होगा तब मैं आपको बताऊंगा.
Absolutely looking forward to it. All the very best. Fabulous talking to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye guys.
Please
Bye.
stay safe. Wear your mask since you're out. Please take care.
हाँ, मास्क अभी सिर्फ इंटरव्यू के लिए निकाला मैंने.
हाँ जी. Okay.
Monitor.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys. Bye.